Hi, my name is Tina Schnell and I am the creator of the Preschool Box, and I just wanted to share a little bit of information about the Preschool Box with you and give you an idea of what to expect from the Preschool Box. So, the Preschool Box is a 12-month curriculum or a subscription box. So every month you get a box packed full of fun, educational, hands-on learning activities that are designed to keep your little learner engaged. You can sign up for 1 month or you can stay with the whole 12-month curriculum if you would like to, but everybody starts with box 1 and you move in order through the curriculum. So no matter what time that you decide to sign up for the Preschool Box, no matter what month you choose, you'll always start with our box 1 and go in order as the skills from each box build on each other. So I will open our Preschool Box and show you what to expect when you order. So this is our first box, box 1, and I'm gonna open it up and show you what you get. So our box is shipped the 6th of every month, and then renewals will go through on the 15th of every month if you choose to do the month-to-month renewal. So every box comes with a booklet that gives you the instructions on how to do the activities, and there's also workbook pages in the back. So for this, our box 1, the front of it will show you what the learning objectives are going to be for this box and the things that you'll be covering over the month. So every box is broken up over a 4-week period, and so that is reflected in the booklets that we have for you. So here is week 1, and it shows you all the activities that you'll be doing in week 1, and then what the finished crafts should look like, and then what corresponding workbook pages go with that week. So each box comes with a minimum of 16 activities broken up over a 4-week period. And the fun thing is that a lot of these activities can be reused. So if you need to go back and practice some of the activities again, a lot of the materials are reusable for those extra skill practices. So here is our box 1, and let me go ahead and show you some of the fun items that are inside. So we have our flashcards. So each week in box 1 focuses on a different letter. So you have your A through D flashcards, and there's a fun activity that goes along each week with these. The nice thing about our box is that we prepare all the craft materials for you ahead of time. So we have fun crafts designed. So this is the finished product for the letter B that's in our week 2, where the B is the focus for the letter. And then all the items are prepackaged, so you don't have to go scrounging around your house looking for feathers or eyeballs. Prepackaged for you to make it easy, so you can just open up your box and get started with the activities. So here's our letter A craft for the letter A for week 1. And there's other activities that go with the letter A, some prepackaged materials all ready to go for you. We have a fun rainbow craft as we learn our colors and corresponding craft. And like I said, all the instructions are in the booklet for you. So it says exactly what your craft should look like, the instructions, and then the talking points for each of the lessons that come in that week. So we also have some fun letter card activities. You get these Velcro dots in your box, and then you cut out the number cards, and you get to do a fun sensory activity. So for the number 1, you put 1 Velcro dot on the back. Same for number 2, 2 Velcro dots. And so not only do they get a visual representation of the number 2, they also have a tactile way to practice. So one of the activities is they close their eyes, and then you lay all the cards out, and then they have to count by feeling the dots on the back of the card. So that's a good way to practice number recognition and then also counting. For the letter C, we have a fun cookie craft. You get all the materials in the box for that as well. They cut out the letter C, tear up the construction paper, and they get these fun little black sticker dots they get to stick on as the chocolate chips. That's for week 3 for letter C. We have a bunny tail activity, and you get a folder in every box that comes with any papers or templates that you need for the activities. So you get a folder. So like there's the letter A template, the rainbow, the the bird, the number cards for you to cut out, the bunnies for you to cut out for the matching color bunny tail activity. And then like I said, for the letter C, you have your letter C template and then the construction paper that goes with it. So everything is super organized for you, so you can just pop it open and get working with your preschooler. There's not a lot of prep work for you to do. It's all ready to go. Then we also have the letter D craft for week 4, and you get the materials for that. You get your paint, you get your Q-tips for D is for dot, so you dot paint onto the letter D. And then we also have a bug counting activity. So in your folder, you have a bug jar template, and then you roll the dice, and then you count that many bugs out on the jar. So it's more number reinforcement, practicing counting, number recognition for your little one. Also, in every box, you get a fun book. We are big fans of reading, so every month you get a fun book in your box. It changes every month. Just to encourage reading with your child on a daily basis. So, and also on that note, at the very back of your booklet, you have a reading log that you can fill out with your child. And so it has Monday through Friday. Of course, you can read on the weekend as well, but just a way to encourage keeping track of the books that you're reading so that you are remembering to read with your child every day. I know sometimes with our busy schedules, sometimes we forget and sometimes things get a little bit crazy, but it's just a way to document like, hey, we read so many books this week. So just another way to encourage reading. So that is it for the contents of box 1. I hope that gives you a good idea of what to expect in the boxes that we provide. Like I said, we offer a 12-month curriculum, so this is the first box that you would start with, and then each month after you would go in numerical order. So next you would get box 2 with some different higher level skills from box 1, and then you move through the curriculum. And then our box 12 is actually our graduation box. And with that one, you get a fun graduation cap, a graduation certificate, and some fun review activities to celebrate completing the program. So we do offer multi-kid boxes. So if you have 2 or 3 kiddos in your house that are preschool age, you can order a multi-kid box. So what that looks like is if you order a 2-kid box, you would get all the supplies and materials for 2 children packed into one box. The only shared items for that box would be the book and then the flashcards. Everything else, they get their own craft materials, they get their own work booklet, and so on. We also do bulk pricing for schools and daycares. So if you are interested in doing that, you can always email us at support@thepreschoolbox.com to talk to somebody about how we can partner with you and your school or your daycare to get your kiddos the preschool box. So thank you for checking us out. You can always visit our website at thepreschoolbox.com and check out what a subscription looks like. Boxes start at $32.95 per month plus $5.95 shipping. If you do a 3-month prepay or a 6-month prepay, or even do all 12 months and pay for them at once, then you can save a little bit of money per box. And they make a great gift for your friends' kids, your grandkids. So we hope you check us out and hope you learned a little bit more about the preschool box. Thank you.